everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you some tassel kurti designs which are again very much in trend. You can decorate your plain kurtis by putting tassels in the kurti neckline, in the bottom of the kurtis and all over the kurtis too. These you can either purchase from Amazon, from my personalized store. I shared the link in the description box of the video. Now, if you want to stitch it on your own, then you can try more variations like adding different patchworks in the top part and then attaching tassels or joining some contrast color leftover fabric and decorating it with contrast color tassels. You can also make a thin dory and put tassels at the end like this. You can also combine tassels with some embroidery work in the neckline. There are so many combinations you can try if you are planning to sew your kurtis. As far as price is concerned, ready-made tassels kurtis are a bit costly and ranges from 800 to 2000 rupees. So I personally suggest you to make it on your own by attaching tassels in your plain or existing kurtis. Making tassels is very simple. You only need some anchor threads which you can get from Amazon. In just rupees 300, you can get 50 pieces, which is very much cheaper, and you can decorate n number of kurtis with that much colorful threads. So don't wait, order now and make your kurtis trendy and stylish. That's all for today. Meet you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.